In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI to turn your voice into a song. This is an exciting and creative way to transform your vocal recordings into something musical and unique, and it can be done in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, head over to the Suno AI Music website. Once you're there, log in to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just follow the prompts to sign up. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. After logging in, your next step is to locate and click on the Create button. This will open up a new set of options for you to explore your musical creativity. Once you're inside the creation page, look for the Custom tab and give it a click. This is where you get to tailor your musical project according to your personal style and preferences. Now that you're in the Custom section, it's time to choose the Audio option. This is the heart of where your project will evolve from a simple vocal recording into a complete song. When you're ready, decide whether you want to record your voice directly within Suno AI or upload a pre-recorded clip. If you're opting to record in real time, just click record and start singing. Remember, you can stop the recording whenever you're finished, allowing you control over the captured audio. If you have a previously recorded voice clip, Suno AI also allows you to upload it. This can be a useful option if you've already recorded vocals that you're happy with, or if you want to use different recording equipment for specific sound quality. Moving forward, you'll need to enter your prompts for the lyrics. Think about the message or story you want your song to convey. This step is crucial as it gives your song meaning and can influence its emotional impact. Next, you'll want to enter your prompts for styles. Here's where you can get creative with your musical influences. Whether you want your track to have the vibes of pop, rock, jazz, or something entirely unique, Suno AI can adapt your voice to fit these styles. Once your lyrical content and style are set up, click Create to let the AI work its magic. During this step, Suno AI will use your voice as the foundation for the track, blending it with the style and lyrical prompts you've entered. After a brief moment, you'll have a newly generated song that captures the essence of your original vocal with a professional and musical flair. And that's it. You've successfully turned your voice into a song with Suno AI. Enjoy listening to your creation and share it with others. With Suno AI, the possibilities are endless, and now you have a new tool in your artistic arsenal.